What happened before Alien Romulus? So we have the first issue of Alien Romulus comic book, which serves as a prequel to the movie. It starts off in the Zeta Reticuli system near the moon LV-426. The body of the alien is recovered and brought on board the ship, then transported to the Renaissance space station. They discover that it was encased in a hard shell, which was made from secreted resin. It contains hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen, the four basic elements of life. The crew believe there is no risk of cutting it open, and so they begin. That rock oozes rotten energy, and it's coming from whatever's inside. These two people are named Hilla and Adrian. As they remove the top layer, the body of the alien is revealed. Hilla starts to get worried and wants to shoot it, but Adrian stops her. This alien took down 6 crew members aboard the Nostromo, but one person did escape. One scientist says this could be invaluable to the weapons division, but Rook says that is just a short-sighted human observation. Humans only see this creature as another opportunity to consolidate power through destruction. If you humans really want to exterminate yourselves, give the job to a few of us synths. We'll gladly comply. The organism was found on LV-426. They learn it evolves from infant to adult at inexplicable speed. The alien has the ability to generate new tissue and survive almost any environment. This could hold the key to what Peter Weyland was searching for, eternal life. As Rook drills into the alien body, acid blood pours out. The alien then wakes up. Its arm would swing to the side. The humans start to worry, but Rook tells them to relax. It's just a muscle spasm. Even if we detected life, the control rig holding it keeps the internal temperature sub-zero. Rook reassures them that everything is under control. Hilla says she does not trust that synth. Why have us stand guard if it's really dead? Hilla thinks the alien is just playing dead as a common survival mechanism. She learned this tactic when she was stationed on LV-147, clearing out critters before terraforming began, but she wasn't paying attention and one of them attacked her. After that incident, she lost her career, but the company took care of her, kind of. She was then placed on the space station and is now part of the security team, and she has a feeling that rock with the alien inside is a threat to everyone here. Hilla plans to get rid of the alien, but she has to wait for everyone to leave, including the synth. But when she has the chance, they sneak into the lab and send the rock back into space. Days later, Rook would record an audio log of his research. He successfully harvested the lifeform's DNA. He determined it was a composite of human and endoparasitoid extraterrestrial, a creature known as the XX121 Xenomorph. With its DNA, he managed to synthesize its most basic ovomorph form and replicate the second parasitoid stage in its life cycle. These reproductive agents orally plant a seed inside a human host. Thus, they contain the accelerant responsible for the creature's incredible growth. He was able to extract small samples to create a compound. Just then, another person calls out for Rook. The parasitoids need to be sent down to the Romulus module, but Rook has not done his research. He's on the verge of discovering immortality, to build better worlds, to build better humans. But this human reminds him that Rook is just a synth working for him. He asks Rook, "How many can you spare?" Rook says no more than 5, but the human takes half of the specimens. Rook is left with a skeleton crew in Remus. Meanwhile, everyone else is reassigned to the Romulus lab. Rook says that his research is important and should not be disrupted any further. The others don't understand. The fluid within XX121 could be a panacea for humankind, which is a solution or remedy for all kinds of illnesses. Later on, we see Hilla and Adrian inside the Remus lab. They need to de-rig the rock, strap it to one of the defense rockets, and blow it to hell. While Adrian is busy, Hilla takes an axe and breaks open a door. She finds out they're synthesizing alien parasites. She breaks it with the axe, causing liquid to fill the floor in the room. Adrian then gets attacked and screams. When Hilla returns, she finds the body of Adrian. She tries to shoot the alien, but misses and it escapes. Rook would show up to see what happened. The alien only reanimated because the humans removed it from the rig. But Rook is more concerned about his work. Compound Z01 has reached 75% processing and is ready for Phase 1 trials. They start the process right away. They would take the black liquid from the facehugger and inject it into a mouse or rat, then squish it. Rook says they're so close, but they have to find the alien first. It poses a threat to everyone on the station, and they need to stop it before it interrupts his research. Rook would give Hilla a device to find the alien. She can track the creature's unique body temperature. Rook thinks the alien would head towards the facehuggers to protect the young. Meanwhile, other people are talking about how to use the aliens. One idea is to clean up populations in the failing colonies. They see it as a cheaper alternative, and aliens would be plausible and deniable. The alien then shows up and begins to attack everyone here. Some of them would run for the door, only for Matos to close it on them, leaving them inside with the alien. The alien would use its tail to break the containers holding the facehuggers, and the humans inside would get overwhelmed by many facehuggers. Hilla would show up, and Matos tries to warn her they need to run, but Hilla just wants to shoot it down. Matos then gets grabbed by the alien and pulled up. He is eliminated right away by the alien's inner jaw. Hilla tries to shoot the alien, but it escapes again. Rook warns her about the alien's acid blood. It might create a massive decompression event, but Rook thinks a few seconds of decompression might be okay. Rook has an idea. They need to kill the alien where he has access to seal the station with the emergency systems. Otherwise, all would be lost. They use the tracking device to locate the alien. It's inside somewhere. It then jumps out and cuts Rook's body in half using its tail. The alien reaches out to grab Hilla by the throat, but she breaks free by using a rod to attack the alien. She reaches over, trying to get her weapon. She opens fire on the alien, blasting it many times. Hilla knows what's going to happen, so she calls out to Rook to seal the station. As Rook crawls to the computer terminal, Hilla can be seen holding on. Rook would ask Mother the status of Compound Z01. It reached 100%. He says, "It's beautiful. It's perfect." He looks back at the rat from earlier, and it's been brought back to life. Fully reanimated, he says this, "Prometheus fire." He pushes the button to seal the station, but decompression starts to pull him away. Rook would hold on, trying to pull himself up. His main concern is to save the compound. All the humans would get thrown into space. Then the safety systems would seal the hole. The last scene is Rook inside the lab before the hole was sealed, and the rat that was injected with Compound Z01 is seen again. Its body is fully restored, and vials of Compound Z01 are seen on the right. And that's the end of the comic book story. And that's how the alien escaped. It also explains what happened to the crew and why Rook was the only one left.